La da da. Come on. Uh-oh. Try to put that. Try to put it under there. How much? Ah! Oh no, is our carbon dioxide gone? Okay, that did not light. Hope our smoke didn't get rid of our carbon dioxide.
So this one's like half full.
Okay. Trying to light this wick on fire is not cooperating, of course. Okay, so let's try it again. Come on, man. Why? Alright, trying to light. We did it. Kind of. It's like the most pathetic candle fire I've seen in the history of candles. That's like the smallest flame
Is that even a flame?
ever. Yeah. Are you kidding me right now? No. Why would you blow it out? Oh my goodness.
It wasn't even working.
It was. Help me. Why? Okay. Hopefully I have the world's best candle here. That's great.
It's like it's half full.
Nice.
More than half.
Good, because I think we might be out of our carbon dioxide in this one. Okay, don't pull that one out, please. It's the biggest mother of all flames in the history of candles. You've got to be joking me. Okay. Oh, how much we got in there. That was good. Let's try to extract more. Okay. So, I don't know if we have any carbon dioxide left in here. This is like the world's smallest flame. You've got to be joking me. Okay, so if we lower this straight down into the flame, into the carbon dioxide, it should cause the flame to go out.
There's not that
Which it does not. So, this is such a large flame. That's why. Okay. Also, we might have enough carbon dioxide.
Oh yeah, it's like almost full.
If we pour it over the flame, it should put the flame out if we're just pouring carbon dioxide over it. Since carbon dioxide is heavier than air, it should be pouring out on the flame and putting it out, but we don't have any more carbon dioxide in here. I'm not sure if the flame did something to it or what, but
This one should be ready.
okay. We have another jar that is ready for us. Okay, so we're going to capture this amount. It's still got stuff going up in there, right? How far?
It's like to the first ridge.
We should try to capture more.
Do some one like every 1.5 seconds.
Okay, so our candle's burning like crazy.
Oh yeah. The wildfire.
Is it still in there?
A giant one? Just air one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still.
Alright, we're going to get some more carbon dioxide here. Okay, this next part of the experiment, hopefully, I think we might need a bigger flame, but we trap some more carbon dioxide here. I'm going to take off the lid. And since carbon dioxide is heavier than air, what we're going to do is lower this candle down into the carbon dioxide. Dun, dun, dun. It's like killing it. Right here it starts to die.
It already went out.
Because the flame is so insignificant. I need a better candle. That was not supposed to happen. We'll be back. Alright, finally we get our candle burning somewhat decently. So what we're going to try to do is the second part of this experiment. If we lower this into the carbon dioxide, there's a lot of water in there. Taller. Okay, let's try this. Dun, 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 dun.
It's out. This one's almost.
Where did our carbon dioxide go? That one's got a lot of it in there. Where did our carbon dioxide
Try
go?
to trap it.
Okay, so, that was supposed to burn on top of that. Doesn't look like we have any of the flame there. I wonder if we should get another soda jar.
This one's full.
Is it? Okay, still got some water in there. Use this to go underneath and stick it up on there. Pull it up straight. Make sure it remains level. You can pull it up, but just keep it straight. To capture, slide your jar under there. Get a nice suction, pull it up out of the water. I wonder if we pull the... Okay, flip it over. I wonder if the water affects it.
Try dumping some water out.
No. Just keep it straight. And put it on the table. Okay, that should be fresh, so we'll try to lower this into there.
There's a lot of water here. Now, what if we put some paper napkins?
Let's try to do this. Put it out immediately. And it's supposed to, cause the flame to burn on top of it? Separate the... Okay. Alright, let's just try this again. It's supposed to have the candle burning. The flame is supposed to separate from the wick and burn up on top of this. Is it separating it?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, it is.
Is it?
A little bit. If we got rid of the water inside of it.
So if we pour the carbon dioxide on top of it, it should put out the candle. We have water. Oh. Do we have any carbon dioxide left in here? Oh, it went out. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, my friends. So carbon dioxide is heavier than air. So technically it's supposed to just sit in the jar there and you can pour it out into the air and it'll smother your candle, because candles or flames need oxygen to burn. That's why when we lowered the flame down into it, it went out, because it was no oxygen, because it was full of carbon dioxide. So what was supposed to happen with this experiment, if we got a full jar of carbon dioxide, we lower this into there, and this flame should still be burning up on top, separated from the rest from the wick itself because of the carbon dioxide, but the heat would make a little area for it to burn on top of the oxygen, on top of the carbon dioxide. That didn't happen though. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.